On average, sellers who use an agent contact 2 people before making a decision on who to partner up with. 63% contact just one agent before selling. It's pretty powerful. That means if you can get your ass into an appointment with somebody who owns a fucking home, it's a 63% probability over the course of time that if that person sells, they're selling with you. So when an ISA sets an appointment for you and it's a set day and time, don't fuck it up and try to move the appointment to another day or time because you didn't put something in your schedule that should have been in there, and then you call the seller and try to move the appointment and you blow it, and they go meet with somebody else and that's who they list with. Go take the appointment, move your schedule around. If somebody owns a home and they're willing to sit down face to face with you and they end up selling that home, it's a 63% probability it's you if you're that first agent to meet with them. So we need to get our ass in front of as many people that own homes as possible. I don't give a fuck if they're 5 years out from selling that home. Sit your ass down with them, because if you sit down with them and they end up selling, it's a 63% probability chance it's you. I don't care if it's a fucking mobile home. I don't care if it's a piece of dirt in Jacumba. Sit your ass down and meet with them. Because if you're the first person that meets with them and they sell that home, it's a 63% probability it's you. I love 63% probabilities of people selling their home with me. So get your ass in front of as many people as you possibly can that own homes. This is how you build a pipeline. Most of the listings that I take, because a lot of you guys ask, like, how do you get all these? Most of them I nurture for a year or so before they actually come to fruition. Like, I don't just have people calling like, hey, I'm ready to sell today, let's go. It doesn't work that way. There's a nurturing process. But when they even express any interest, first thing I'm doing is get my ass in the door. What do I got to do? Let's sit down, let's meet. I hear a lot of you guys talk about, well, they're working on some projects. They want to, get that stuff done before they meet. Fuck no. Get your ass in their house and help them with those projects, because they're going to fuck it up half the time. They're going to do stupid stuff that has no return on investment. You want to get your ass in there and help them see what can they do that's actually going to give them a positive return on that investment, because they're going to do dumb shit that literally has no return. I went to one of my buddy's open houses this weekend, and the seller wanted to redo the countertops, and they sponge painted the fucking counters. It's like, what are you doing? We need to help sellers, because this seller thought that was a smart thing to do and it was going to help them sell the house, to sponge paint the counters in their bathroom. Let's help our sellers so they don't do dumb shit like that. Yeah. Sponge paint counters. Like, my gosh. So we owe it to our clients to get in there and help advise them on this stuff. Don't wait for them to do the repairs and then go meet with them. And you need to be able to articulate what's the fab, why should they come meet with you before those things are done. It's so you can make sure, and I just tell people, I want to make sure for every dollar that you put into your home, we're getting at least $2 back out of it. Because if you're putting $1 in and you're only getting $1 out, it doesn't make any sense to do it. We've sold thousands of homes over the last 14 years. Let us sit down with you and meet with you, because we know what the features are that buyers are looking for that are going to give you a high return on investment. So let me come in and make sure that we're investing that money wisely to give you the highest return possible. Okay, it's pretty hard to say no to that. So we need to get our ass in the door with people that own homes, because if they sell that home and we're the first person to meet with them, it's a 63% probability they're listing with us. So don't discount these appointments that are a year out, that are 5 years out, that are crappy properties. Get your ass in the door and meet with those people.